So if you're planning to have a baby abroad and end up securing an international passport for your baby, this video is for you. Okay, a friend told me about this opportunity and I made my research and I saw that it is possible, you understand. So this country is a country that not a lot of people might be focusing on, but trust me, it's a good opportunity because their passport is very good. You understand, from what I heard, you can use it to travel to several places or several important places, and I think you can also use that passport to come to Europe without a visa, you know. So this is why you need to watch this video to the end and pay keen attention so that you know you can try to get a passport for your child. You know, gone are those days when people go to America. I don't know if they still go there, you know, but I know that people used to go to America to give birth and having a passport for their child, an American passport. But I don't think it's possible nowadays, you know, because of the Trump administration. I don't know if it is still possible, you know, but this particular one is probably new to a lot of people because it's not something common. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Okay, make sure you watch it end. All right. Yeah, I want to welcome you especially to this amazing channel. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Breno and we are changing lives. We drop videos about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or through studies or through any other legit way. So do yourself some good to subscribe to this channel and stay glued. Okay, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop videos, and please click the like button to support this video and share it to somebody out there. Okay, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The mystery country is Brazil. Yes, your baby gets Brazilian citizenship at birth. Any baby born on Brazilian soil becomes a Brazilian automatically, regardless of the status of the parent's immigration or nationality. So the baby receives Brazilian birth certificate and Brazilian passport once issued. And once your child is born in Brazil and is a Brazilian citizen, both parents are eligible to apply for a residence permit for parents of a Brazilian citizen. So this gives you immediate temporary residence, usually approved quickly. Later, you can convert it to permanent residence. So the process is, baby is born, you apply for residency, you get your legal residency, then permanent residence. Then later on, you can decide to apply for a Brazilian passport. So parents can apply for a Brazilian citizenship, but not immediately after the birth of your child. Okay, now here are some real timelines. If you have a Brazilian child, you can apply after 1 year of permanent residency. Okay, so the sequence is, the child is born, that is, your child is Brazilian after being born in the Brazilian soil. Then parents get residency, that's temporary residence. Then you go to permanent residence. After holding permanent residency for 1 year, then you can apply for Brazilian citizenship. The timeline is faster than for normal immigrant, which takes up to 4 years. Now, how powerful is the Brazilian passport? Or what countries can you go to with a Brazilian passport? Now, according to Henley and Partners Global Mobility Index for 2025, the Brazilian passport ranks around 16th in the world. It gives visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to roughly 170 countries and territories. That makes it one of the more powerful passports globally, giving Brazilian citizens wide international mobility. In short, a Brazilian passport affords its holder a high level of global freedom to travel, reaching a large portion of the world without advanced visas. Here are some regions and types of countries that typically welcome Brazilian passport holders without a full prior visa. The first one is much of Europe, that is many of the EU, Schengen area and other European countries. You can travel to Europe with a Brazilian passport without needing a visa to Europe. You see that? Then we have several countries in South America, including neighbors and regional partners. Then we have numerous countries in Central America, the Caribbean, Africa, and part of Asia. Depending on bilateral agreements or visa on arrival or e-visa rules. For example, someone with a Brazilian passport can travel to these countries I'll be mentioning, but because of time I won't be mentioning all of them, okay? If you want me to send you the link where you can find all these countries, just comment below and I will send you a link where you can see all these countries, okay? So we have Albania, Austria, Belarus, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, France, Finland, Greece, Hungary. I'm just keeping, I don't have time to, I don't want to mention all of them. We have Sweden, Ukraine, United Kingdom, wow, and of course there are some days you can stay. Typically, I think most of them you have to stay, you can stay up to 90 days or 3 months, depending on the visa rules or, bilateral agreement, between those countries and Brazil. Yeah, so this is an amazing opportunity, just imagine like you've been dreaming of moving to Europe all this while, but then, this is another route which I'm suggesting, in this channel, we bring out suggestions to help, having been to several countries and having, had the opportunity to experience international countries, and I'm bringing something to this channel to help, the mistakes I made before, I don't want you to make those mistakes, and anything I see that would help your movement, that would expedite your movement, that would make it easier for you to settle, I would always try to bring it. And this is why you have to subscribe to this channel, okay? Because there's a lot of ideas, a lot of videos that I'm still going to make. So make sure you subscribe, okay? And click the bell so that you'll be notified when I drop content. And please, if you're interested in videos like this, okay, please like this video. That will help me know that you like videos like this, and it will also help my video to go viral, like to reach more people, okay? And please share this video with somebody, okay? We have other videos on this channel, please check them out. And I'm going to be dropping another video about studying in Brazil, that's in Brazil. And for this one, you're not paying tuition, and there are other benefits. This guy who told me about this opportunity also told me about the study in Brazil opportunity, which is like a scholarship, and you're not paying school fees and other benefits. He sent me a video, okay? If YouTube will allow it, I'll try to, to upload that video so that you will see benefit that somebody got from this opportunity. Yeah, so that's it about this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.